In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a Smartsheet. Whether you're organizing multiple projects or just need to tidy up, renaming your sheets can be a quick and effective way to keep everything sorted and easily accessible. Let's dive into the straightforward process of renaming a Smartsheet together. First, open your Smartsheet and take a good look at the top of the page. There, you'll notice the current name of your sheet displayed prominently. This is what you're going to change, so hover your mouse over this area to get started. Notice how the sheet's name is relatively unobtrusive, blending seamlessly into the top bar of your Smartsheet interface. It's in this simplicity that we'll find the functionality. You're aiming to click directly on the sheet name itself, and as soon as you do, you'll notice that the name becomes editable. What this means is that Smartsheet allows you to click directly onto the text to initiate a change. This feature is designed with user-friendliness in mind, ensuring that you can make modifications swiftly without having to navigate through complex menus or setting panels. So, with the name now open for editing, go ahead and type in your new desired name. Remember, it's best to choose a name that's both descriptive and concise, reflecting what the sheet contains or its purpose to make it instantly recognizable to you or anyone you're collaborating with. As you type, the system will keep the changes in real time, providing you with immediate visual feedback. Once you're satisfied with the new name you've inputted, simply press the Enter key on your keyboard. This step is crucial, as it acts as a confirmation that you're happy with the change and want to save it. Without pressing Enter, the change won't be saved, and the sheet will retain its old name. With the new name now saved, you'll see it updated right away at the top of your sheet. This small change can make a big difference in how you or your team members navigate and organize projects within Smartsheet, streamlining your workflow and improving clarity and consistency. And there you have it. You've successfully renamed a Smartsheet. It's a simple yet powerful way to keep your projects organized and easy to find. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on getting the most out of your Smartsheet experience.